It is no magic. Natural tips work best without leaving side effect, but you just have to be mindful if you are allergic to any of the ingredients I'm using. Most often we always ignore all these natural remedies because we felt they are super lengthy, they are very slow, and the result we don't get it on time. But that is where we get it wrong, because if you are consistent in it, you're going to see a visible result. I'm a lover of natural remedies, as you can see from my page or from my channel. I love anything natural. I glow my skin with natural tips only. So guys, let's dive into this video. And if you like my page, please kindly give me a huge like and a follow back. Love you. Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, on the very first one, here comes another recipe to take care or get rid of armpit odor. This recipe is super effective, but you just have to be consistent. No lying things about it. Just have to be consistent in it. 2 times a week, 3 times a week, you have to use it if you are battling with armpit odor. So this recipe is for you. So guys, the ingredients are very simple. I will be using some lemon peels, the organic lemon peels, chemical free. I will be using some CAFFE powder or coffee. I'll also be using some rice flour. I'll also be using some of my bathing shampoo, and I will be using some drops of vitamin E oil. If you are asking me, aside vitamin E oil, can't I use any other oil? You can use vitamin C oil. You can use any oil you have at home. You can use sunflower oil, any oil you get where you get house, any oil you have. You remember, we use things we have at home to glow our skin. You don't have to break the bank all the time. So you have rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, just take some grains of rice, blend them in your blender, and that is your rice powder. You don't have to buy coffee. I don't know if you have coffee or CAFFE, but it is even also easy to get. So guys, the preparation for this video is self-explanatory. I'm using lemon, but you can also use orange peels if you have the organic orange peel. Any citric fruit at all will go well with this recipe. You know, a lot of the time I throw orange peel inside my dustbin just to help absorb odor. Orange peel is good in absorbing odor. Try it out. If you have your waste bin always gassing or the odor is not pleasant, get some good amount of citric fruit, fresh ones. Throw them in under the bottom of your waste bin. Put in your nylon and you see magic. It absorbs odor. So when you combine this ingredient with CAFFE, then you will notice a very reduced smell. You will notice a very reduced smell on it. No magic, it functions. So guys, this is my mixture. It's not running at all. If you don't have a liquid soap, you can also add grate from your bar soap and add to it. The essence of adding soap is to get it foaming, to make it foam. So guys, this video is self-explanatory. Like I said, I will leave you to see the application, after which we come back and see the final result. And if you like my content or you love my page, please follow me. I'm on YouTube as Glossy Family. I'm on TikTok as Glossy Tips, and I'm also on Facebook as Glossy Tips. So guys, we glow, and that is Glossy. My name is Susan. Remember, love you. Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get rid of armpit odor with natural ingredients. I repeat, natural ingredients. The ingredients are very easy, fetchable, and you have them in your kitchen cabinet. That is the funnest part. So guys, this is the preparation. All I have here, some grated skin of organic or bio lemon. You can still use orange or grape, but if they are bio, not organic, you can use their peels. So what I have here is organic lemon peels, some rice flour, 3 drops of vitamin E oil, and some CAFFE powder or CAFFE. So guys, then I also added 5 ml of my bathing soap, my shampoo. If you don't use shampoo, bathing liquid soap, you can also grate from your bar soap, your body soap. You can also grate some and add it just to get a foaming or soap texture in it. This is all. Right now, what I'm going to do, as you can see, the mixture is not running at all. It is super firm. What you are going to do, I have my armpits wet a little so I can scrub with it. Before I continue, let me say I have sensitive skin. My armpits are very sensitive, so whenever I use shaving stick or a waxy cream, it is disaster. So let me say I'm using a light laser for more than 3 years now, and the testimony is super visible. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my get a towel, place around your surroundings, and start scrubbing like this. Just like this. This waiting time for this is especially 3 to 5 minutes, depends on you. Or if you're asking if I can I add lemon juice, I didn't add lemon juice to mine because I just said my skin under my arms are very sensitive, so I will not risk it adding lemon juice. So same thing I'm going to do with the other arm. Then I will see you towards the end of the video. All right guys, I'm done with the scrubbing process. What I'm going to do, I'm going to risk off with a lukewarm water. The waiting time for this procedure is 5 to 10 minutes, but if you want to wait more, the choice is yours. And believe me, this recipe worth trying. This tip absolutely worth trying. My hands are super smooth. Under my hands are super smooth, and the aroma or the smell from it is feeling like licking. All right guys, forget my naughtiness and please pardon my English. Hopefully the message is well received. All right guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to follow, give a thumbs, a like, and let me know your thought or your opinion. Bye.